Assalamu alaikum. Hello, dear learner. Welcome back my new vlog video. So today I would like to discuss about many things. So first of all, I have to congratulate to you because of you are watching my video. That's why, because you want to learn, and you want to practice English like me. So if you notice, I am a beginner to learning English, so that's why I make lot of mistake. So it's not big deal. Big deal is you have to you have to you have to raise your voice. You have to, if you want to achieve English speaking, if you want to fluent in English, so you have to must you have to speak English in English. So for example, I am not good at English, but I am trying to continue to making vlog video like that. So if you want to speak English, so you must have to speak first of all. So you can follow me only for the you can follow only for this method. You can try in front of the mirror, you can try on in front of your mobile phone camera. So you try and you can speak English, and it helps you. This method helps you a lot. So I think you should make a video, or you should speak in English in front of mirror, or in front of any person, your friend. It will be, it can be your friends, it can be your families. So but the big deal is you have to raise your voice. So